Hi everyone, just wanted to do a really quick video on how to use SharePoint check-in checkout service. Essentially it's just a way to stop people from editing a document that you want to keep the data true and accurate until you want to make it available and editable by other people. So this green box with the white arrow inside it means that it's checked out. So currently it says checked out by Adrian Dalton. Now, just to explain what that actually means on the end user, so goal setting pathways is not accessible by anyone else. So earlier today, Adrian shared, so this is my one here. So Adrian shared the advocacy folder with me, but as you can see, that document isn't in this list. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make that document accessible to everyone else, and also the other way around to lock it up. So we're gonna make goal setting accessible to everyone. So I click on the tab, click on the ellipsis, and I go down to more, and this will give me check-in, check-out, or check-in. So I'm just going to check it in and click check-in, and now that little green box has gone away. Now, just to confirm that now that document is available to me, I'm going to click on my SharePoint site, which I have access to, into the advocacy page, and I'm just going to do a quick refresh, and lo and behold, goal setting pathways has now been added and is accessible to me. Now, the other way around, say for example, if I wanted to do the same to someone else, and I'm editing this document here called the action plan. Now I can go into the action plan and I can edit the document in here, but while I'm in SharePoint, I can also stop other people from using it as well. So I'm going to check it out, and now the checkout process has happened because that green box is in there now. Now if I go back to Adrian's SharePoint site, and I try to access the action plan after I refreshed, it will block me from accessing the action plan that has just been checked out. Cool, hope that helps.